My dear seniors suffering from piles problem. No problem? I am here now. Stick with me till end. So, sometimes the quietest struggles are the hardest to talk about, and piles is one of them. The pain, the itching, the constant discomfort. These things can steal away peace and make everyday life feel heavy. But here's the truth. You do not have to suffer silently, and there are simple steps you can take right at home to feel better. This video is created with you in mind to give gentle, proven remedies that can ease the burden and bring relief. You are not alone in this, and together we'll walk through safe, natural ways to make each day more comfortable and less painful. So, number 1 is warm sitz bath. A warm sitz bath is one of the simplest and most effective home remedies for piles. Sitting in a shallow basin of warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes can bring noticeable relief. The warmth relaxes the muscles around the rectum, reduces pressure, and helps swollen veins shrink more quickly. Many doctors recommend this practice because it improves blood flow to the affected area, which encourages healing while easing the constant discomfort of pain and itching. Seniors especially benefit from this gentle method since it avoids the side effects of strong medications and provides a safe, natural form of care that can be repeated daily without harm. Using plain warm water is usually enough, although some people add a pinch of salt or a few drops of antiseptic solution to keep the area clean and reduce irritation. The bath can be done after a bowel movement or at the end of the day when discomfort is often worse. What matters most is consistency, because regular use keeps tissues soothed and promotes healing over time. For those struggling with piles, this simple practice offers more than comfort. It gives a sense of control and an easy step toward better relief right at home. Now, number 2, apply coconut oil. Coconut oil can be gently applied around the area affected by piles to bring quick and natural relief. Its smooth texture softens the skin, reducing the friction that often leads to further irritation. Many doctors note that coconut oil also carries mild antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which means it not only soothes itching but also protects the delicate tissues from infection. Seniors often prefer this remedy because it is free from harsh chemicals and is safe for a sensitive skin that can easily become dry or damaged with age. The oil's cooling effect calms the burning sensation that many people describe as one of the most uncomfortable parts of piles. Applying a thin layer 2 to 3 times a day, especially after gentle cleaning, can keep the area moisturized and less prone to painful cracks or bleeding. Over time, regular use may ease swelling and make daily activities more comfortable, offering seniors a safe, natural, and inexpensive way to care for this condition. Now, number 3 is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, when applied directly to the area affected by piles, provides an immediate cooling effect that eases burning and itching. This natural gel is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which help calm irritated tissues and reduce swelling. Some health experts highlight aloe's ability to improve skin hydration and support healing, making it particularly valuable for delicate skin that becomes sensitive with age. Seniors often find comfort in aloe because it is free of harsh chemicals, gentle to use, and easily available in either fresh leaf form or as packaged pure gel. Applying a thin layer after gently cleaning the area can soothe discomfort and create a protective barrier that prevents further irritation. Studies have shown that aloe's compounds can reduce inflammation in skin conditions, and the same principle makes it helpful for hemorrhoids. With regular use, the gel not only eases itching but also helps tissues remain soft and less painful, offering seniors a safe and natural way to find daily relief. Now, number 4, cold compress ice pack. A cold compress or ice pack can bring quick relief during painful piles flare-ups by reducing swelling and numbing discomfort. Applying cold to the affected area causes blood vessels to constrict, which lessens inflammation and eases the throbbing pain that many seniors experience. Doctors often recommend short sessions, usually no longer than 10 to 15 minutes at a time, because prolonged exposure to ice can irritate the skin instead of soothing it. Wrapping the ice pack in a soft cloth before applying it ensures that the cold feels gentle and safe against delicate tissues. This method works especially well during sudden flare-ups when pain and swelling peak, offering almost immediate comfort without the need for medications. For seniors looking for simple, at-home remedies, the cold compress is reliable because it is inexpensive, easy to prepare, and can be repeated as needed. Used carefully and consistently, it becomes a practical way to manage symptoms and restore a sense of comfort. Now, number 5. High-fiber foods. High-fiber foods are one of the most important dietary tools for managing piles at home because they keep stools soft and easy to pass. Softer stools reduce the need for straining, which is one of the main causes of pain and swelling around hemorrhoids. Doctors often emphasize that increasing fiber intake is a long-term solution, not just a temporary fix, since it supports healthy bowel movements and prevents constipation from returning. Foods such as oats, apples, pears, leafy greens, beans, and lentils are excellent choices because they provide both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps absorb water, making stools smoother, while insoluble fiber adds bulk, encouraging regular movement through the intestines. Seniors benefit greatly from this balance, as digestion naturally slows with age and constipation becomes more common. Some health experts also recommend introducing fiber gradually to avoid bloating or gas, allowing the digestive system to adjust. Consistent daily intake of fiber not only reduces the irritation and bleeding linked with piles, but also lowers the risk of recurrence. For seniors seeking a gentle, natural way to relieve discomfort, high-fiber foods provide comfort, protection, and a steady foundation for healthier digestion without the side effects of harsh medicines. Number 6. Avoid spicy and oily foods. Spicy and oily foods make pile symptoms worse because they irritate the digestive tract and increase discomfort during bowel movements. Dishes heavy with chilies often lead to a burning sensation in the rectal area, while fried oils and processed fats slow down digestion, making stools harder and more difficult to pass. Doctors frequently caution that these foods contribute to inflammation in the gut, which can intensify swelling and pain linked with hemorrhoids. Seniors are especially vulnerable because their digestive systems tend to be more sensitive, and the irritation from such meals can lead to more frequent flare-ups. Choosing lighter, home-cooked meals instead helps reduce this cycle of irritation. Foods that are steamed, boiled, or lightly sautéed are easier for the body to process and less likely to cause straining. By limiting spicy curries, fried snacks, and fast food, seniors protect their digestive balance and allow the rectal tissues to heal more comfortably. Over time, avoiding these trigger foods reduces flare-up frequency, minimizes painful episodes, and helps maintain a calmer, healthier digestive system. The shift does not mean giving up flavor. Simply means choosing preparation methods and spices that are gentler, allowing seniors to enjoy meals without aggravating piles or risking further discomfort. Number 7. Avoid straining on toilet. Straining on the toilet is one of the most damaging habits for anyone with piles because it directly increases pressure on the swollen veins. Pushing hard or sitting for a long time worsens swelling, often leading to bleeding and greater discomfort. Doctors often warn that forcing a bowel movement not only irritates sensitive tissues, but can also cause new hemorrhoids to form. Seniors are especially at risk, since constipation becomes more common with age, and the urge to push harder may feel natural when stools are difficult to pass. However, this habit works against the body's healing process. It is safer to wait until the body signals a natural urge to go and to avoid reading, using a phone, or sitting idly on the toilet, as this prolongs pressure in the rectal area. Responding promptly to the first sign of an urge and allowing the process to happen without force prevents unnecessary strain. Over time, this simple adjustment reduces flare-ups, minimizes bleeding, and protects fragile tissues from further damage. By respecting the body's natural rhythm and avoiding unnecessary straining, seniors can give themselves a much greater chance of keeping piles under control and easing the discomfort that disrupts daily life. Number 8 is regular, gentle walking. Regular gentle walking for just 15 to 20 minutes each day plays a powerful role in easing piles symptoms. Movement stimulates the digestive system, helping stools pass more easily and reducing the risk of constipation, which is one of the main triggers for painful flare-ups. Doctors often encourage seniors to adopt walking as a routine exercise because it improves blood circulation throughout the body, including in the rectal veins. Better circulation reduces swelling and lowers the pressure that causes discomfort during sitting or bowel movements. Walking also strengthens the muscles that support healthy digestion, making bowel habits more regular without the need for strain. Unlike intense exercise, which may worsen discomfort, gentle walking is safe, accessible, and easy to maintain at any age. Studies have shown that light daily activity improves both digestive health and mobility, making it a double benefit for seniors. Over time, this consistent habit not only helps control piles symptoms, but also increases energy, supports joint flexibility, and brings an overall sense of well-being. For those seeking a natural, non-invasive way to manage piles at home, walking offers steady relief while improving quality of life in many other ways. So, dear seniors, if you find these gentle remedies helpful and want more trusted guidance on living healthier after 50, take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Share your experiences in the comments so others can learn from you. And don't forget to like this video to support more content made for seniors.